Hello traders, welcome to today's video on the HMA Histogram MTF Indicator for MT4. This multi-time frame tool shows all moving average trend detection as a color-coded histogram, allowing you to see higher time frame HMA trends from a single chart. As part of the indicator on the chart, so you can see how it looks in real time. As you can see, the HMA Histogram MTF Indicator appears in a sub-window as a series of histogram bars that change color based on the direction of its chosen time frame's HMA. We have bullish HMA conditions on the selected time frames represented by green, while bearish conditions represented by red. This makes it easy to see whether the higher time frame trend is aligned with or against the direction you see on your chart. If we go over to the settings, we have the time frame to use. Mine is currently on current, or if we change it from current, which is M15, to 30 minutes, I'll let that sit in. And let's look at the HMA period. This affects the sensitivity of the indicator. We also have the price to use. As you can see, the long list. You have the HMA average type. We have the speed and we have the width. Also have the colors of the bars. Now let's let that load. And let's look over to who is for. The HMA Histogram MTF indicator is suited to traders who rely on top-down analysis and want higher time frame trend confirmation in a compact, easy-to-read format. Let's go back to the chart. If we see over here, we're using M30 right now and is aligning well with the current M15 price chart. We can use this tool to see how the trend is looking on the chart. Now, as with all HMA based tools, it is still derived from price past and can lag or flip during volatile ranges. It should be used with other technical and risk management elements rather than as a standalone tool. You can find the download link for the indicator in the description below. You can also read more about the HMA Histogram MTF Indicator for MT4 and see example setups at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.